Everyone has a dream of a better life. In Durban, South Africa, opportunity is everywhere. Have you ever dreamed of a better life? A life where every morning feels like a new opportunity, where the sun rises not just to light the sky but to light your path toward success, happiness, and peace. Today, I want to take you to a special place, Durban, South Africa, a place full of beauty, energy, and endless possibilities. Durban is not just a city, it is a feeling. From the moment you arrive, you can feel the warm breeze. From the ocean, the welcoming smiles of the people, and the vibrant life that surrounds you. It is a place where your dreams don't feel far away but closer than ever before. Many people come here, searching for opportunity, and they find more than they expected. If you are someone who is looking for a better life, Durban might be the place for you. Here you can build something meaningful, whether you are searching for a job, starting a small business, or simply looking for a fresh start. This city offers you a chance. Everywhere, in the streets, in the markets, in the connections you make with people every day, life in Durban is not only about work, it is also about living fully. Imagine spending your weekends by the beach, enjoying the beautiful coastline, feeling free and relaxed. Imagine having a peaceful environment where you can raise your family, where your children can grow up in a place filled with culture, diversity, and love. This is what makes Durban special. People here understand the value of community. They support each other, they share, they grow together. When you come to Durban, you are not just moving to a new place, you are becoming part of something bigger, a community that believes in hope, in dreams, and in building a better future. Of course, every journey has challenges, but what makes the difference is the opportunity to overcome them. In Durban, you are given that chance, a chance to work hard, to stay focused, and to turn your dreams into reality. Nothing comes easy, but everything is possible if you believe in yourself and take action. So if you have been thinking about change, if you have been dreaming of something more, this is your sign. Durban, South Africa is waiting for you, a place where your dream of a better life can begin. A place full of opportunity, growth, and new beginnings. Don't just watch, take the first step. Your better life starts today.